I'm back, dear friends, with another unique video of Warli paintings on my old planters. Welcome to Helen's Creations. This pair of planters had become very old, so I thought of bringing a new look to them with Warli painting. I did not want to disturb the plant because new shoots were coming out, so I thought I would paint with the plant in it. Warli art is a traditional art of Maharashtra. It is also called the tribal art, mostly created by the tribal people, the Warlis. It basically depicts the life of the tribals, their day-to-day activities, their dance forms, their musical instruments, in a simple art form with lines and triangles in a rhythmic pattern. You can make different designs and figures according to your mood. Engaging in this art is very cool and enjoyable. Here are a group of girls dancing. And here are their musical instruments. I call this video unique because I have never seen ceramic pots with Warli painting. It is very interesting to see this. The planter now looks new, beautiful, and exotic.